So how you doing, me muckers, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to go out today and literally just have a quick chat to you guys about the bikers' respect. And as bikers, what we should be doing. Not only should we be respecting ourselves, but respecting other bikers and other people. So let's get into it. Let's have a ride. So here we go, main one here. Straight off the bat, let's turn around. The horses. You know, if you're going past a horse, slow down. You know, even pull over and turn your bike off if you have to. It's a couple of seconds. But that is a massive one. It's just to give them and that horse a little bit of time and a little bit of respect and a buffer zone around them to allow them to come past you. Don't get zooming past them, man. The next one is cyclists. Now, most people know they're the bane of my life. It frustrates the shit out of me having cyclists on the road, because they're travelling in tours or in packs. So, you know, for me, they absolutely do my head in, but you've got to give them a bit of respect and just get round them as and when you can. Thirdly, so if you see a biker pulled over on the side of the road, just check, make sure he's alright. Give him the nod, give him the thumbs up. Just check, see if he's okay. Next one. Respect to other riders. Now, I've seen it myself. People not being nice to other riders. You know, having a dig at each other on channels and all the rest of it. It just ain't good, lads. Ain't good at all. So, just give it neck. Next one. In the UK, it's the famous biker nod. So give the person the nod. It's absolutely no effort at all to do. So just give him a nod. You know, you are asking him to dinner. Just give him a nod. Next. Now, this next one for me is quite a big one. Is the way you ride. If you're riding and you're on a sports bike, and you feel like you can ride that sports bike fast, fair play to you. However, there's people out there that can ride lesser, faster bikes more quickly than what you can. Now, I don't claim to be a fast rider at all. Yeah, I've done a lot of track riding. Yeah, I've done racing. But you don't see me going past people just, you know, within an inch of the fucking life, because you're putting that person in risk. Because what's happening then is, if that person isn't a confident or I wouldn't say a seasoned rider, but a rider that is happy and comfortable and confident in his own ability on the bike, you're putting him in danger. And he could then be looking at you, or more worried about where you are, or that you've come past him at fucking 70 mile an hour, you know, rubbing paint off each other's bikes, than his own bike or his own riding. And he could possibly crash there because of you, because you think you're better than what you are. Pardon me. Because you think you're better than what you am. If you're that fast, get yourself on track, because I'll guarantee you something, there's always someone faster than you. Next. So, remember, in life, not just motorbikes, but in life, respect is earned, not given, earned. Oh fuck. Okay, I nearly dropped the bike then. So, as usual, me muckers, if you can all stay safe, keep your family safe, and all do me one thing please, as usual, which is smile. Smile. Thank you, me muckers. So from me, the Peaky Biker, until the next time, that's me out. I'll see you soon.